Happy birthday, Father Apollo.
Our Father Apolinario Cardozo is the superior of our community. He does a dedicated, tough ministry in spite of inclement weather, heavy rainfall, and traffic jams.
Dear Father Apollo, your dedication towards the work given to you inspires me a lot. Whatever responsibility given to you, you do it with utmost care and with meticulous planning. May God, on this auspicious day, bless you with lot of graces and peace and joy.
Father Apollo has a vast knowledge and history. He has a great knowledge on Goan culture, churches, and miraculous process in Goa.
Father Apollo is a Jesuit who has kept up with the Jesuit charism of being an educationist. So he has been groomed by being a disciplinarian. He is also very methodical and to the point. That's his charisma.
One of the striking qualities of Father Apollo is his attention to detail. We see that whether it is in academics or any other field, he always gives importance to every minute detail to make sure that everything is done perfectly. And this same is also reflected in other aspects. We see that he is very hospitable and always is cheerful, putting a smile on the faces of others as well. So today, as you celebrate your birthday, we ask the Lord to shower His abundant blessings on you so that you may continue the good work and spread the cheer to many others. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Father.
फादर जल्माचो दीस तुजो तुका देवान बरे सावधेन दवरल्यार पुरो.
Zolmaco dis tuzo.